Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah. I'm a card reader, that is tarot card reader as well, numerologist. I do provide multiple courses which is online or on WhatsApp, via WhatsApp. I do conduct seminars and workshops. All of this, my profession revolves around, my work revolves around contributing in other people's life to make the best of them. And this is something that I have evolved one step at a time, also from through personal experience as master, go through all those stuff. At the same time, right now why we are connecting with each other is that we are working with Lenormand basics, and today's card is card number 33, key. Key, it literally means key. Sometimes it does indicate something of importance. It also shows certain, something particular, certain, or it shows the feeling of certainty as well. For me, key can also stand for a solution. So it also depends on the surrounding cards, as I repeatedly tell people, let people know about it, along with where the placement is and with which card is key placed. So these are important pointers about key, that key is important, something very certain, and which is very critical in a positive sense, like it's very important. This is something which is, this is something important. So I'm not getting a better word or other word apart from important, because it's just telling me it's important. So that is all for key. If you really like my work, if you really feel this is somehow being helpful to you and making it easier for you, I would really love if you could really share, subscribe, or like and comment, which would be sharing your love as a result or as a symbol of sharing your love. If you want consultation, you can surely reach out to me via email or WhatsApp message. Please do not think calling is not something that we work with, because if that is the case, we would just keep on taking the calls instead of doing the actual work for the clients who have already hired us, which doesn't make us very centered, right? So I would really appreciate and value if you message, email whenever you want to consult. You can also give me feedback, as in how can I upgrade myself, is something which you feel as a well-wisher of me, I will take into consideration. And thank you so much in advance for all that you do as a matter of showing love to me. Thank you so much, and have a good time.